Hello guys, we are going to IT picnic again this year. Yasha is joining us.
Hi guys.
And we are going now to Venice Woods. So let's go there. Sanjeev will be joining us in a few moments.
Like, share and subscribe.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So finally Sanjeev came and joined our team.
Hi everyone.
So how you are feeling, Sanjeev?
Good.
Second time. This is your second time or
Second.
third? Oh,
Second.
Third time.
third time for Sanjeev, second time for
Yes.
me and Yasha. Yes. So let's go to IT picnic. So finally we are at the venue. There we can see people are working. So finally the volleyball setup is there. And there we have some food stall, I think not yet started. I think truck will come. Soapy is there. So these guys are working hard for set up these things. Here's Gurpreet. And we can see there Kunj is doing some setup for volleyball. And there we can see catering came for the food. I think it is taco. So here we can see Ben is cutting the grasses. Yeah. And we have the cricket setup also. Sujit is there. So we can see people are coming slot by slot. So till the time we are playing cricket here. So we have 4 players now. Come on, Sujit! Nice shot. So I'm playing after 6-7 years, and every year we have this game, but I joined last year, so I did it twice. This is the second time, so let's enjoy. So finally lots of people joined us now. Yeah, so we got this band. But based on this, we'll get the team. So everybody's getting. What you are doing?
We're handing out events.
So I am also doing something. Yasha is also with me. So at least I'm also doing some work. So that's why I just put it into the video. So this is called actual teamwork. So finally the match will start in some moment. I think the food is started. Let me go and check the food. So this is the drinks, water, pastry. So finally here Nitin, Ananya, Tejaswini, everybody is there. And we have lots of people there. The volleyball game started. You can see everyone came. Hello. Okay. So Scott is here and Derek. Say something. How you are feeling? Yeah.
I'm always
How was the
feeling
food?
good. Every day I get up in the morning is a good day. And the food was fantastic. Nice, good food. So.
Okay. So we are going to play now cricket. This is the bat. Yes.
And then you have a spoon. They have to do the lemon. They have to go there, and then they have to come back. Okay. So the third one will be.
Come on, Fred. Get the head. Keep going. You got it.
Don't worry, we are going to win. Not like Hey, no, you can't have. Hey, go there, somebody. No, guys, fast. I have reverse attempt. Go, wait. Yeah! Come on. Do it.
So this is Yoshita. She also is here. You played any game?
No.
No. Okay. So he's still waiting for her chance. So let's see. So finally our Danny is playing, and that's a huge sixer. So he's Shantanu, and he's also in Hub Group. And the best part is, he's from my hometown. First time I met in US somebody who is from my hometown, and we are taking some rest. There is a game people are playing, so we are waiting for that game to be over. How was your first experience?
It was nice. We won the first match and we are waiting for second match to start.
Nice, you got the.
Yeah.
I mean, you won the first match. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Let's see who will win the final match. So, cheers. We can see whole Hub Group is here. IT team. So she is our organizer. How is the food? Paneer taco, right? What did you eat?
I just had some coffee and it was really good from them.
Did you play any game?
Yes, I played and I won. Relay
Which
race.
one?
Relay race, the
Oh, okay. So she's our
organizer.
yeah. Good job. So here's Amam. How did you like the food?
Pretty good.
Would eat again? Yeah, of course. So last time it was Indian. This time it is Mexican.
Taco truck.
Why are you smiling? Huh? Come here. So we got the Dunkin' coffee also. How is the coffee? So let's go and play the cricket.
Happy weekend. Have a good weekend. The twins.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
So much struggle. So this is our volleyball final team. So Pradap is also there. He's the winning team right now. And their opposition is Sujit and Dhruv, Shantanu.
Great. Don't come down over it. Nothing is coming back.
Take it.
Oh.
That's it. We are back. How many games did you win? Good game.
Now we have to assemble for the group picture, so let's do that fast. So finally we won, and we were in Teddy's team. Pradap played well. Why is shy? So this was the picnic. It's over now. We'll go home. So finally, guys, party is over, and these are the events for which all the IT people are waiting for. And you know, it's a good part of the Hub Group that we play games and all this IT picnic. So we really enjoyed a lot. Now it's time to go home. Fun time is gone. So let's go, and we'll meet you in next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.